we're about to have a thunderstorm at any moment, but I've got the 90 outside. It started not too bad this morning, but I just want you to listen and see the engine. Listen it when I rev it up. And watch the exhaust. Smoke's quite bad on acceleration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this camera up over there, drive down this road, and you can see what it's like if you put your foot down. You could probably see when you accelerate hard, it has that much power it would spin the wheels. It's too much fuel. So the pump has got to go away. That's the thing. It's not right. It's too much fuel. It's knocking, if you see what I mean, and that's not going to be good for the injectors. So that's what I was trying to explain the other day. All right. So I'm going to have to make this Land Rover better, but it's going to have to go to the diesel doctor. Talk to you later, bye.